Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best Otterbox case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, the Otterbox Defender Series Screenless Edition. If you're looking for rugged protection with a sleek, minimalist design, this case stands out as an excellent choice. Right off the bat, the Defender Series Screenless Edition is designed exclusively for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, so it's perfectly tailored to fit your phone's dimensions and features. One important note is that it is not compatible with the standard Galaxy Note 20 5G model, so make sure your device matches. This case offers professional-grade protection with what Otterbox calls Pro Drop Protection. That means it's built to withstand everyday drops, scrapes, and tumbles, keeping your phone safe even in rough situations. The design is rugged yet refined, featuring clean lines and a grip that feels secure without adding unnecessary bulk. Another key feature is the Otter Armor Microbial Defense. The case is infused with a silver-based additive that actively blocks the growth of many common germs on the case surface. While this doesn't protect your screen or hands directly, it's a thoughtful addition for anyone concerned about cleanliness. The Defender Series Screenless Edition doesn't include a built-in screen protector or holster, it's just the case itself. However, it does have raised edges that protect the camera and screen from scratches when placed on flat surfaces. Plus, the port covers are a great touch, blocking dust, dirt, and lint from entering your phone's jacks and ports, which is something you don't always find in cases at this level. Material-wise, the case combines a tough polycarbonate outer shell with a synthetic rubber slipcover, giving it excellent shock absorption and durability. Despite this rugged construction, the case is wireless charging compatible, so you won't have to remove it to charge your phone on a Qi wireless charger. Weighing just over 3.5 ounces and measuring about 7 by 4 by 1.3 inches, it adds solid protection without feeling overwhelmingly heavy or bulky in your hand or pocket. This case comes with a limited lifetime warranty from Otterbox, backed by their well-known customer service, which offers some peace of mind when investing in a premium protective case. Overall, the Otterbox Defender Series Screenless Edition for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G blends durability, antimicrobial protection, and practical design. It's ideal for anyone who wants serious drop defense and a clean, functional look without extra screen covers or holsters. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a case that truly defends your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra without compromise, this Otterbox Defender series is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.